We have never used a bidet in this household, and Luxe Bidet sent me one for my review. Super excited because I didn't know if I knew exactly how to install one. Instructions are super simple, and the best thing is that this package is not just the actual bidet, but it's everything you need. The hoses, the fittings, everything at all, which is great. Let me show you what it looks like when it's fully installed. So this basically, oh look at that, I still have my little, they all come capped. So basically what you need to do is you take the actual seat off first, and then you install the bidet, and then to put the seat back on top of it. And everything just fits perfectly. And look at this, it is solid there. It's actually attached to the actual toilet. The hoses come with it. So this right here, and I love this by the way, this makes it super easy to tighten the actual fitting, which is great. So this is the hot water hose, this is the cold water hose. Even comes with the T, it's gonna be hard for you to see, but it even comes with the T right here to actually adjust it or install it on your current setup, which is great. All I needed to do is flush the toilet, make sure that the water tank was empty, actually added the T, got my, my inlets in. My water, obviously, cold water is right here. The hot water is under my sink, and I actually ran the hose all the way there. I'm gonna make it look a little bit neater, probably have some runner to make it look a little bit nicer. But yeah, after this, everything else is self-explanatory. You've got the actual propulsion, that kind of little jet right here. And what I love is that it is no batteries, no plugs, no electricity, no whatsoever. It is all with the power of water. So all you have here is you have three different modes. You've got the feminine wash, the rear wash right here, and then my favorite, the nozzle clean. The nozzle clean literally will be a self-cleaning mode. So I can use it in hot water like this, or I can use it in cold water. I'm gonna show you cold water. Nothing's gonna spurt out. It literally is the clean of the nozzle. So that's great. Cleans automatically. You don't have to get your hands dirty. And when you're done, you're done. You can flush the toilet, what have you. And then all you need to do is basically use the toilet as you would. And I will show you a little bit of how it actually comes out for the rear in cold water. Check this out. And that jet is strong. I'm gonna do feminine wash now. It just does it at a different angle. Of course, I'm not sitting on it, so it's giving water all over the place. But you can see that pressure, really cool. I did it full pressure, but the really nice thing is you can adjust it at the pressure that you want. Once you try the bidet, I'm telling you, those high luxury hotels all have them. And once you sit on that and try them for yourself, you will never, ever go back. And I love the fact that Luxe Bidet has a complete setup that's super simple to understand, super simple to install. And I'm telling you, you have the white version like this one. There also is a chrome version. There's a bunch of different kind of options you can grab. Highly recommend. Your tush will thank you.